Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Boput lababili laba susemsindo lomkhulu la South Africa ngokugqoka imvunulo bashada baphinze bayidlala futhi imvunulo baphinze bayidlala again bathi angeke sizwe ngani icabanga. So laba bhuti laba ma-member e-LGBTQIA batrendile leli viki leliphelile ngemva kokuthi bashade bagqoke imvunulo. Lokukholelwa kokuthi lo munye wabo bekagqoka imvunulo lingagqokana noma ngangibani imvunulo legqokwa silo kuphela. So batrenda labo bhuti, people were dragging them, people were saying ukuthi kungani bente emanyala eSouth Africa bagqoka imvunulo bashada baqabulane ngemvunulo futhi koqala nje le mvunulo leyana ayigqokwana noma ngangibani igqokwa silo kuphela. Wenda ividiyo ungezwe emchunu saying ukuthi itabane vele manyala abahambi la South Africa, Somiza kaqoqe sive sakhe bahambe la South Africa, indoda lenjani ukulala nalenye indoda. Batrenda nje ngendlela lesimanga bakhuluma ngabo guys. Batrendile labo bhuti laba last week, they are still trending namanje, although iDusty seyisetlisha down kancane, but bantu basakhuluma ngalabo bhuti lababili. Ungizwe mchuno even said ukuthi noma ngabe unemali engakanani but awukavumeleki ukuthi uhambe uyothenga imvunulo yesilo uyigqoke njengoba unjalo. Labayateka imvunulo bayasho ukuthi le mvunulo beyigqoke ngilo bhuti cha iyabida, ngoba kuthiwa nje kuyihayarisha iyabida boma plus 40k. Mase uyithenga ngisasho, mase uyithenga nje vele kusho ukuthi it's an arm and a leg ke sana. Baphenzele bobhuti ongemva kokuthi batrende bathi cha badlala ngayo futhi guys, and this time ngazuthi bashintshile. Yes bashintshile because it's a different one, but still siyabona bandlale imvunulo baphosta lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana, babonakala bahamba batekhipha nemuntu wakhe usebashadile bagqoke lenye imvunulo ke sana, knowing very well ukuthi utheni ungizwe, knowing very well ukuthi bayatrenda, knowing very well ukuthi bantu they were dragging them lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana bathi nina anisati kahle, nine nje anisati kahle, nine sisatoyidlala thina imvunulo. Naba njengoba sibabona abantu abaningi babambe wangaphansi imlomo lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana ngemva kokuthi bayibone le nto le basho ukuthi hayi cha maghosti nithi nje basathi banikhuta nivele nithi lenye, nithi nje ngeke nize nive ngabo, nithi nje anisitsheli lokho. So naba njengoba sibabona abantu abaningi basho ukuthi hayibo why ningasi-invayithanga phela, why ningasitshelanga ukuthi niyaphi nathi sitofike sididle ngayethu imvunulo ke sana. Hayi Komatima South Africa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.